Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and powering the iPad. This matters because the pencil pairs only with supported models. Next, remove the small cap from the pencil and insert the Lightning connector into the iPad's port. Hold it steady. You want a secure physical connection so the devices can exchange pairing data. Once connected, watch the screen. The iPad recognizes the accessory and prepares the Bluetooth handshake automatically. If you see a prompt, get ready to accept pairing in the next step. When the pairing dialog appears on your iPad, tap Pair without delay. That confirmation authorizes the pencil to connect via Bluetooth. Keep the pencil plugged in for roughly 10 seconds so the devices can finalize key exchange and sync settings. After you unplug, open Notes or another drawing app to test pressure and tilt. These verify the connection and calibration. If drawing is responsive, the pairing succeeded. If not, retry the physical connection and accept the prompt again, because most failures are timing or contact issues. Finish by unplugging the pencil and testing its full functionality. Draw, press harder and lighter, and tilt to confirm tilt recognition and palm rejection. If the pencil doesn't respond, first restart the iPad. This clears transient Bluetooth glitches. Then plug the pencil back in and tap Pair again. Most problems clear with a simple restart and replug. If it still fails, check the pencil's battery and the Lightning connector for debris. Finally, contact Apple or an authorized service provider, because hardware faults sometimes block pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.